What is up, guys? Now I know that everyone has seen the epoxy resin tumbler craze, and just like when I tried the hydro dipping for the first time because it looks so much fun, the epoxy tumbler turning thing just looks like it's too much fun that I have to try it. So what I did here, I went to the good old dollar store and I got an orange short little tumbler and a reddish burgundy magenta. I don't know. It's pretty. So that's my base I started with. I've got this part A, part B epoxy resin. I built this tumbler spinner thing. I went on Amazon, got me some alcohol inks. I am geared up. I am ready to go. And I've got my resin mixing up. You see, it's got these little streaks still in it. So 2 or 3 minutes you're supposed to mix it and get all those streaks out. So I'm going to mix that up real good and I'll be right back. Now I heard you're supposed to put a light coat on it. I saw some people drizzling it with their popsicle stick. But I'm just gonna drizzle it on, and then I'm got my gloves on, so I'm ready to get down and dirty. I'm gonna rub it with my hands. I see all these ladies rubbing their cups and smoothing out the resin. It seems to be leveling out pretty decent. It's kind of cool. This is gonna take forever to get all this onto this stick. So might as well do 2 cups while I'm at it. Well, I'll mess up one when you can mess up 2 for your first one. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to pour it, rub it. Oh, can't lose, no, don't lose that, don't lose that. Oh, try not to waste any of this, forget the stick. I'm just going to rub it. Ooh, that's kind of sticky. What's wrong? That didn't feel like what I thought it would. That's kind of odd. So now I've adapted a technique of pouring it on and rub it around with my fingers. Don't forget about the other cup. I don't know why I wanted to do 2. Whose idea was this? So I hope I'm not gonna make you. Well, hold on. I'm feeling something, and I want to tell you while I'm feeling it. With the gloves on and the rubbing, it's kind of sticky and smooth at the same time. It's really weird. But what I want to say is you can feel, it's kind of odd, you can feel what you've covered and what you haven't covered. Like if there's a spot that doesn't have resin, it feels different. I don't know how to explain it. If you people have done epoxy cups before, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's really cool. Don't forget to rub around the bottom, and I'm not going to make you guys watch me rub this cup for 4 hours, however long it's going to take to rub this cup. Now, you can't take long. The thing says you got 30, 45 minutes working time. So I'm just going to keep rubbing my cup, make sure it's all covered really good, and I'll be right back. Taking the gloves off. We're done rubbing. Okay, there's no need to prolong it anymore. Let's just go ahead and start dripping stuff on there. Do you have to shake these things up? I don't know. I'm going to try it. So these are alcohol inks. There we go. Alcohol inks. And never used these before, so this will be a first. So from what I heard, you just put a drip here. It's like a swirly. Ooh. Oh, that's crazy looking. That's a big drip. Ooh, that's running really fast. I don't think it's supposed to do that. I don't know if I like that. It's looking really weird. Maybe it's, ooh, gosh, I got it everywhere. Okay, that's really weird looking. I don't know. Who cares? I kind of do. Maybe not so big a drop. Okay, smaller drops. Duly noted. Forget about the bottom. Don't forget your bottoms. Just kidding. I love the, wow, that looks kind of bad. Kind of terrible. Okay, that smells bad too. Okay, that's enough. Just leave that one. Is that all we're doing? I can't tell on this one. Like, are you sure this is right? No. I'm not. But whatever. Let's drip it off the bottom down there. Let's do this one too. pretty terrible. Maybe you are supposed to shake them. So I've heard that you take the white and you drip it like exactly in the middle of this one. If it ever drip. Whoops, that was a lot. I don't know where I heard this from. What happened there? That was weird. So that makes it really bright. This one is really hard to see where I put the things. I can kind of see it. It is really hard to see. I think that's one. And here, here. I'm just kind of guessing. See, there's one, I see it. And I know I put it somewhere on the bottom. I don't see how this is going to turn out right. Whatever. Okay. That looks like garbage. Okay, now we're going to do blue. I wish it would say shake or don't shake. Like, I don't know if you're supposed to shake this or not. Now we're going to do blue. Azul. So technically, you're supposed to put this where the other is not. But it's going to run all over the dang place. Okay, that's good. Let's just do this. Put it right there. Put it right there. Put her there, pal. Let's put one going on the bottom. That looks right or better. I don't really know. Who's to say what looks good, huh? I have no idea how this is supposed to turn out the right way. Like, it's going down that way. That looks weird. Okay, you want to just go with that? I guess, whatever. So now we're going to put white again. Back in the drops of these. If I can get there. Get out. Come out. We'll wait on that one. Okay. Alright, I guess that's it. So now we're going to do yellow. Maybe we won't shake this one up. Is this going to work? Sure, I do not know. Trying to put it where I don't have any other colors. You cannot see that at all. This has got to be the ugliest cup ever. Or cups, plural. I'm just putting a lot of this. What's it gonna do? Can't hurt it. It's ugly. Oh, ugly. Okay, here we go. Doop, 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 doop. I do not see how this is gonna look right. That's hideous. Oh, I'll just drip off wherever we feel like it. Okay, yeah, that's pretty terrible. That's doing something I like over there. Let's put more white right there. Burp. I don't see how that's going to work out so good. Okay, let's just do this gold color. I know you do need to shake this because I see stuff at the bottom. So here goes everything. So where are you supposed to put this? Let's put one right here. I heard this one spreads out a lot, so I don't know if it's... Ooh, wow, look at that. Watch what it dances around. That's kind of pretty. That looks like a centipede. I'm getting kind of, that's doing some decent stuff. Drip, dang it. Okay, it didn't. Oh, that's the wrong spot. I didn't want you there. Come on, bro. What are you doing? It's getting clogged up on me. Are you telling me to stop dripping? I kind of think this is fun. With the gold. The gold's pretty. Okay, that's enough gold. Gold is pretty overpowering. Where's my gold cap? I think I want more blue. Yellow and blue make green. It's kind of spreading out a little bit. So now, I heard you're supposed to hit the gold with a torch to make it move. Just like that. Did that work? That doesn't look like it's working. Man, my torch is down too far. That's it, all the way up. I think my torch is the wrong kind of torch. Oh. Ooh, that looks like fire. Ooh, did you see that? It caught on fire. What? That was crazy. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Ooh, it made a hole. That looks so crazy. I need more of that. But I think I'm gonna leave. What's that do? Oh, jeez. Okay. Caught on fire. Okay. That might be what I said. Leave it. Okay, so now let's just let it go and see what happens. Just first experience here. And let's roll the time lapse. Alright, so I have a confession to make. I let these things spin. I torched it for a second and then I went inside. 20 minutes later, I came back and I started messing with the cup on the left here. And I added some more alcohol inks. And I believe I messed it up. But then I had a little squirt bottle with some regular rubbing alcohol. And I just started squirting it like crazy. Squirt, 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 squirt. And it did some cool like fusing together stuff. It's really a totally different look. And you'll see in a minute when I show you the end product. But after that, I thought, hey, can't mess this thing up anymore. So I had a bag of glitter. I dipped my hand in there. I start flicking the glitter at it. And I think I kind of like it. It's not terrible, I'm going to tell you. And I'm going to show you these cups. And I'm going to put another, like you're supposed to put another layer of epoxy resin on it. There's me messing with it. Man, can't you just leave it alone, dude? No. But anyway, turned out great. You'll see the end product in just a minute. Alright, so here is the final look. I've got the final coat of epoxy on there. Glitter is blinging as slick as glass. And I got these two cups actually turned out really good. This one's the one I came back out and messed with, and I kept adding to it and kept adding to it. Now it's finally like, it's alcohol inks. What would happen if you sprayed like alcohol in a bottle? So that's what I did. and it ended up meshing together and looking like a galaxy. It was really cool. You see the little voids in there. That's really cool. So then I took this glitter powder here, dipped my hand in there, and just started flicking it at it. And I think I like it a lot. It's really cool. I think it turned out really great. It's just an experiment. So my first 2 cups there, I signed the bottom, my tag, signed the bottom of that one. First 2 cups, first time I ever tried this. I feel like it was a huge success. Some of this stuff looks really sick though. There's like interesting places everywhere you look. It's like fire and water and glitter, flake, gold. I don't think you can really go wrong here. So that's it. That's the video. So go try it for yourself. And thanks for watching. I got another video coming in a minute. I already did it. Did you see this right there? Did you see it? Whoop. Right there. Right there. But click the link in the top to watch that one. Peace.